guys, so I'm just taking up my hair. I'm gonna get ready for the day. I have a few things to do. I think I'm gonna make this into a maintenance vlog. So I'm gonna get my eyebrows done. I'm gonna try something new today. I'm gonna try brow lamination. I usually just get them threaded, and I really love the threaded look, but the girl that I go to, the parking is an issue for me, and I'm tired of it. I really am. I'm so tired of the parking. It's so tight. And then yeah, so I'm trying somewhere new. I've been seeing her on Instagram, so I'll bring you guys with me. Don't know if I'll be vlogging the experience, like while she's doing it, because honestly, I have anxiety, and I don't like when attention is on me, you know? I don't like it. So I just braided my hair a couple nights ago because I wasn't going anywhere. So I braided it and just left it. My hair has grown so much. And I just wanted to get longer and longer and longer. And it's natural, it's in its natural state right now. But when it's straight, it looks so long. Anyways, I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna get ready. I have a few things to do on the road. As I said, I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done. Also, as I said, it's not a regular vlog. I'm not gonna vlog the whole thing. I'm vlogging my maintenance routine. So I'm gonna get my brows done on Friday. I'm getting my nails done. I found this girl. She's so good, so good. This is the second set she's done. It's Gel X, and I'm obsessed. This is one of my favorite sets. She did a Christmas set for me. I love it. But this, and it's been like, I want to say 3 weeks. Let me see, is it focusing? It's been 3 weeks. There is absolutely minimal growth, like almost no growth. My thumbs grow at the fastest. That's so weird. But everything else, barely there. It looks kind of fresh. So I'm gonna get a new set on Friday, right in time for Valentine's Day. And my 22nd birthday is coming up, so I'm gonna get it done for that as well. Yeah, what else? I want to get my toes done, but I don't know if I'm gonna include that in this vlog, so stay tuned. I'm deciding on what I want to wear. One sec. So I think I'm gonna wear this bodysuit. It's from Free People. Also these jeans. My favorite jeans I got from Fashion Nova years ago, and I wear it all the time. You guys want to see? Let me show you. So it is pretty early. I don't know why I'd got dressed so early. It's 10:30. I'm gonna try and get some stuff done. I'm gonna organize myself. And yeah, I'm gonna eat breakfast, all of that stuff. One, I hate being late to any appointment that I have. Two, my house is far from civilization, so I have to leave home at least 30 minutes before anything that I have. So yeah, bring you guys along with me when I'm actually going. Tell me why I forgot I was vlogging. I'll let you guys know what happens. Okay, hi guys. It is the next day. I completely forgot to update you guys before my appointment. Yeah, as you can see, my eyebrows are completely different. I got them laminated and tinted. I don't know how to explain it, but my eyebrows are thick like that. The hair itself, they're pretty thin, but I have a lot of hair, so I didn't really need a tinting, but she added it towards the ends mostly. I haven't washed them yet, so they look a little oily because I have to condition them with castor oil, but I kind of like them. They're growing on me. I'm not used to having such defined eyebrows, like so perfect. If I were to do them again, I don't think I would get them tinted because just too dark for me. I don't wear heavy makeup, and when I do wear makeup, which is very rare, it's always very light makeup, so sometimes you can't even tell I have on nothing. But they're growing on me. Just wanted to try something new. The girl that I went to, she was very sweet. Like, we were talking, she was very educated, she knew what she was doing. My next appointment isn't until Friday. Today's Wednesday. My next appointment isn't until Friday when I change my nails. So yeah. Hi guys, so it is Friday. I'm getting my nails done today. It's a couple days after I got my eyebrows done. Can't zoom, but as you can see, they're not as dark as they were before, which I do like. My birthday's coming up and Valentine's Day, so I'm getting a set to kind of match the theme, and I'm running late. I need to be leaving home right now, so bringing you guys along with me. Okay, hi guys. I'm finishing up the vlog. Oops. Yeah, I'm finishing up the vlog, my maintenance vlog, and I'm starting a new one. So stay tuned for that. It should be posted next week after Valentine's Day. Anyways, this vlog was just like a maintenance vlog. I don't usually do much. I just do my eyebrows usually, don't get lashes anymore because I don't know, learning to love my natural self. Yeah, and it's just too much to maintain. I pick them out. I do lashes on people, but I don't do it on myself, and I don't get them done anymore. Yeah, I don't get them done anymore. So I do my eyebrows, my nails. I'm gonna show you guys soon, and I get pedis, but that's pretty much it. I never got a pedi this vlog because I just didn't have the time to. My Valentine's Day sale is coming up. I have a lot to do, so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys now. Okay, so I'm just gonna close out the vlog here. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share, do all that stuff, and watch my other videos, and stay tuned for more videos. I have a few ideas, and I decided, as I said in my previous vlog this year, I'm just gonna do it. No more thinking, no more second guessing myself, no more doubting myself, no more caring what other people think. I'm just gonna do it. So I'm doing it, and hope you guys stay tuned, and yeah, bye.